Hi, my name is Nicole Sandine, and I will be talking to you today about cyberbullying and internet safety in District 63. The topics that we are going to be discussing will be the online bully report that our district has, SOS FBI, the District 63 policy on internet safety and acceptable use, and what we can be doing better as a district. The first area I wanted to discuss is the SOS FBI, which the school that I work at, Gemini Junior High, uses this free program through health class to teach students about internet safety. The students play a series of games at a 7th and 8th grade level to learn more about internet safety. It is a fun hands-on way for them to be reviewing internet safety and expectations. I'm going to take you to the website so you can see this is the 7th grade view, and these are some of the things that they will answer. So they're having to answer questions about getting enough responses so that Manny can reach the beach from his surfboard. One way to surf the web correctly is to spell words correctly. So it brings them through questions like this that will help them to be successful with using the internet safely. And I really like the website because it's for each grade level and it's grade level appropriate. My only issue with it is that it's all game-based and there should be a little bit more serious tone with some of the things discussing with 7th and 8th graders because just like we saw with the video about Amanda, there needs to be more kind of scaring them into behaving the right way and to making good choices online because I feel like they have the feeling that this isn't ever going to happen to them. It's only what happens in the news, and they need to realize that it happens at Gemini every day as well. Our school district has an online bullying forum, and I'm going to take you to that now. You can see that it has them put in the school name, when it happened, what grade, what happened, where it happened, and then our principal goes through and gets this and then interviews all parties involved and then come up with a resolution. What I found interesting when I was looking at our bullying report, I never noticed all the cyberbullying links. So there's this different websites that parents and students can be going to when they're filling out the form, all about online bullying, cyberbullying, regular bullying, and it's kind of nice that it's giving them the information right there to teach the parents. So if we go back, then the final thing is our District 63 acceptable use policy. We are one-to-one with Chromebooks at Gemini Junior High, and so are some of the elementary grade levels. I believe we're now at 3rd and 4th grade and up. So there is a link to all the information about online appropriate behavior, the acceptable use where it says that it must be in support of education, furthering the goals. I thought it was interesting, the internet safety, where we do use filtering devices where visuals they should not be using are obscene, pornographic, harmful, or inappropriate to students. But we have still a lot of access to YouTube, and kids are very smart and are good at hacking around the system and trying to figure out ways to kind of work around our internet safety policy. And there needs to be more information. I think we need to be a little bit stricter on that. So those are the things that we're really working on and doing well currently in our district. We of course have some room for improvement. We don't have a lot of parent education besides what I found on the district website when doing the online bullying report. We need to have classes that can teach parents about the importance of monitoring what the kids are doing online, maybe collecting their phones at night, because we find a lot that the kids are on their computers or phones from the time they get home till the time they go to bed at 11 o'clock, 12. Some of them even take their phones with them to bed. So they constantly have access to it, and parents need to be aware of what's happening and how they can help monitor better. At Gemini, there is a police officer that's regularly in the building, but something else we could do is have guest speakers or police involvement to come in and talk to the kids about the importance of internet safety and cyberbullying. And I also feel like our district can do a better job of monitoring the usage and websites that the kids are visiting on a daily basis. So that is our cyberbullying and information on internet safety in District 63. Thank you.